Jorge B. Vargas was fascinated with objects. His passion for collecting was stirred and sustained by a keen interest in fragments of Philippine culture as a heritage of a national collective. This notion of Filipiniana is a central impulse in knowing and cherishing the social life of the nation and the processes of its formation. This exhibition presents three intersecting concepts in Vargas's practices of collecting, revolving around the disposition of the person towards things that has shaped a collection: Kawilihan, Fascination; Kasaysayan, History; and Kasanayan, Discipline. Kawilihan, Fascination, traces the personal life of Vargas as a man strongly rooted in his home and family, an enthusiast in various artistic pursuits. Photographs and souvenirs such as pens, ashtrays, keychains, and matchboxes reference the memories of his travels and his everyday interaction with people and places. The commitment to learning is gleaned in the books he had collected and the exhibitions he had attended. This trove has thickened and deepened over time. His position in the government and his ability to travel allowed him to collect a wide range of materials. Kasaysayan, History, reveals the link between the practice of acquisition and the possession of political power. Vargas's career was at its peak during the Commonwealth era, the time of the Pacific War and the Japanese occupation. He was a diligent keeper of records, a collector of ephemera, and a prominent political figure. He was therefore strongly placed to propose a level of coherence in terms of a collection and nurture nationalist aspirations in the midst of ruin, transition, and rebuilding. Photographs, documents, and other paraphernalia attest to these endeavors to affirm certain ideologies in the name of Philippine culture and identity. Vargas was in the forefront of sports, scouting, and charitable work, rounding out his presence in the public. Kasanayan, Discipline, speaks of the well-being of both mind and body. Honing the intellect and physical talent formed part of Vargas's ideals from his college days at the University of the Philippines to his engagements in organizations in the larger social sphere. Artworks, artifacts, mementos, and other objects signify the relationship between the man and his many sympathies in the constant effort to do well in any quest or vocation, to realize the creative potentials of the human being, and to be fit in body and spirit.